Hello friends, this is Tex Pyramid and today we are going to know about the live filing of recently introduced Form GST PMT09. Through this form, we can change not only the major head of any payment appearing in electronic cash ledger but also its minor head. Therefore, we can say that any text which is wrongly deposited and lying in any head can be transferred and utilized for payment of any tax, interest, fees or penalty of either IGST, CGST, SGST, UTGST or cess. It is to be noted here that PMT09 does not apply to amount utilized in GSTR 3B because if the amount is used in GSTR 3B, that means the amount is now not available in electronic cash ledger. PMT09 allows transfer from one head to other only if the amount is lying in electronic cash ledger. So friends, let's see the live filing of this form. First of all, log in with your login ID and password on GST portal. From Services tab, select Ledgers, then select Electronic Cash Ledger. Here you can see the option of File GST PMT09 for transfer of amount. Let's select this. As we see, there are two tables on the screen. First table shows the balance available in electronic cash ledger. We see here rupees 7183 balance is appearing under cess column in electronic cash ledger. Second table shows electronic cash ledger balance after updation of PMT09. As we have not clicked on save button yet, so it is showing no change and amount is still appearing in cess. Once we will update it or save it, it will show the changes which we want to make. Now to update it, we will go to Add Record tab. In this Add Record tab, on left hand side, it shows the major and minor head from which the amount is being transferred. And the right hand side shows the head from where the amount is to be transferred to. So these are the major head, IGST, CGST, SGST and cess. And these are the minor head, tax, interest, fees, penalty, others. Your amount can be in any of these heads. In our case, the amount is lying in cess under major head and tax as minor head. So I will select cess as major head and tax as minor head. It is showing the amount available, rupees 7183, and I want to transfer the amount to IGST. I will select IGST under major head and fill rupees 7183 in text column. Now I will click on the save button and the data will be processed. Here we will select yes. It would appear in this table number 2 as preview so that we can verify that desired changes have been made. Here we see that rupees 713 have been transferred to IGST head. Now we will proceed to file. And after verifying everything is okay, we will finally file the form PMT09 with EVC or digital signature. We will select yes. Here I will choose file with EVC. I will fill EVC code and verify. So here you can see that GST PMT09 has been successfully filed, and here is an acknowledgement reference number for this form. And you can also verify the data with this view file GST PMT09. Search by date, as I have filled this form today. So here you can see ARN number, ARN date, amount transferred, status filed. Hope you find this video useful. If you have any query or comment, you can mention in comment box. Thank you for watching.